Hello everyone, this is video number 14 and in this video today our topic will be formation of nouns. Okay, we will see how we can form nouns from adjectives, verbs and other nouns. Binny was a brave girl. She saved the puppy from drowning. It was an act of bravery. Now pay attention to the highlighted words. In first sentence, brave is highlighted and in second sentence, bravery is highlighted. Okay, so bravery. Bravery is the noun form. Here we formed the noun bravery from the adjective brave. In first sentence, brave girl. Brave is adjective. And what is the noun form of brave? The noun form of brave is bravery. Here is another example. Dio collects buttons. She has quite a collection. Okay. Now see, collection is noun and collect is verb. The noun collection is formed from the verb collect. Okay. So we can see that we can form nouns from adjectives, verbs and other nouns. Let us look at some ways of doing this. Okay, how to form nouns. Add ship or HOOD hood to form nouns from other nouns. Example, if you add ship to champion, it will become championship and championship is noun. Child, childhood. Add TION or SION to form nouns from verbs. Extend is verb and if you add SION it will become extension and extension is noun. Celebrate, if you add TION it will become celebration and celebration is noun. Add ANCE or ENCE to form nouns from adjectives or verbs. Example, appear, if you add ANCE it will become appearance and appearance is what? It is noun. Depend, if you add ENCE it will become dependence and what is dependence? Dependence is noun. Depend, if you add ENCE it will become dependence. Add ITY to form nouns from adjectives. Example, possible, if you will add ITY it will become possibility. Modern, if you add ITY it will become modernity. Okay. Next, add NESS or MENT to form nouns from adjectives or verbs. Cool, if you add NESS, coolness and coolness will become noun. Advertise, if you add MENT it will become advertisement and advertisement is again a noun. Add AGE to form nouns from verbs, adjective or other nouns. Package, if you add AGE it will become package. Short, if you add AGE it will become shortage. Mile, if you add AGE it will become mileage. So in this way you can form nouns from adjective, verbs and other nouns. Okay. You can also add DOM to form noun from adjective and other nouns. Example, king, and if we add DOM it will become kingdom. Some words change completely. For example, choose, and if you want to form noun of choose the answer will be choice. So see, this word is changing completely. Solve and the answer will be solution. So sometimes the words change completely. Exercise C. Tick the correct noun from noun form in each pair of words. This exercise you will do in book. This is very easy. Exercise D, I am giving you homework. Exercise D you will try and in my next video I will discuss the answers of exercise D. Okay. And this is page number 12. Okay. Page number 12, exercise D. In my next video I will discuss exercise D, page number 12. For now, we can discuss this exercise. Okay, this is page number 13. Page number 13 and exercise C. Exercise C, page number 13, you will do in copy. Form nouns from these words. Dark, you will add any double S and the answer will be darkness and it will become noun. Okay, one or two I will just do it and rest you try. Appear, appearance. Discuss, discussion. Child, childhood. Free, freedom. Invite, invitation. Brave, bravery. Possible, possibility. Invent, invention. Break, breakage. So exercise C, I want everyone to do in copy. Just now I taught you how to form nouns from adjectives and verbs. So exercise C, page number 13, do in copy. 1-3, page number 13, 1-3, exercise C, you will do in copy. Thank you.